Oh shit. Huh.
It's exploded.
Oh shit. What are you? This is how you explode your soda. Oh, how bad on you?
No.
Imagine it just fucking explodes.
I'm gonna drink the rest.
Dude, that's...
Look, it won't even open. It's just...
Bonafide Tilcock.
I'm gonna come.
Huh. Saving that for the ancestors.
That's my bus.
And she's...
So take this. I just need to practice, so. We've done it, boys. We've figured out the cheat code. We have oh, fuck.
Throw it as hard as you can. Fuck
I'm doing it. Up. Did you get it?
She came. Dude, she fucking came. Holy shit.
Alright, boys, here's the aftermath. I look like I've been cummed on by an elephant. We're currently setting up a car horn. I think our plan is that we're probably gonna fuck with people. We're probably just gonna do that out the window or some shit while we drive.
This shit is louder than a car horn.
You wanna do that while we drive? I'll do that.
First of all, we need to test.
Yeah, test it without opening the window, I dare you. Just press it real quick. Just real quick. Oh no, you fucked it up. Press it again. Did you break it?
Yeah.
Alright, chill out, dude. Don't press it that hard.
My niggas is sad. We got 30s and 100s. We got 30s and 100 round proof.
This one.
Big 40s in a big.
Waiting for connection.
Smoke cigarettes, cancer in the chest, like cardiac arrest.
He's a cutie.
He's what?
He's a cutie. That one's Fred. I'm giving you the good. Daddy? Love you. Cream pies are required.
Alright,
Alright, update video. Turning onto our street and we're about to give her 15 big, girthy cream pies. What are you doing? Oh no. Cheese and crackers on the CRV. Oh my god. What a menace. Oh. I'm sorry.
it's okay. What you doing?